Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Uh, Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with the Precise Trader. Today is 15th October, US session, and 2000 hours. Okay, and now it's going to be a news trading today. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess your risk with your trade before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, I think we proceed. I think we have taken some trades, which in fact, this is making some money. In fact, we have been stopped out and we had a re-entry. Okay, okay, we are holding short pound at 13080, and dollar yen we are holding long at 14915. And I'm not sure how many of you got stopped out on the live, because sometimes, because of the spread, you don't get filled, and sometimes you don't get stopped out, sometimes you get stopped out, all this. So you need to take care of your accounts, especially if your spreads are very narrow. Okay, it all depends. See, this trading, you need to iron out a lot of things. Okay, a lot of things, meaning what is the spread, what is the brokerage, I mean, who is the brokerage and all, that is a big uh, chunk, by itself, before you really start off in this business. So coming with that, we are holding the pound short, dollar yen long, gold short, and dollar yen one more, we had a long at 149. Okay, and we have a so-called we need to revise the stop, and also we have to play the game. Okay, do take note now, because today being a news trading, we focus on Canadian dollars. Okay, we have a Canadian CPI data out. Of course, I mean, I don't see a very big move happening. Okay, we may get a big move or we may not get big move, because the CPI is not that impact on the currency. Sometimes, this unless like US CPI, this is a big different. Okay, and also we have Empire State Manufacturing Index, from which is from the US. Okay, now the CPI is expected to be negative 0.2. Okay, that means it's not inflation, I think it's deflation, so they're expecting a deflation on this. So if the figure comes out positive, then Canadian dollar CAD should strengthen. Okay, on the other hand, if it comes out the figure worse than expected, that means 0.2 or lower, that means 0.3 minus 0.4, then it would be like dollar CAD would weaken further. So this is what we expect, and we should be playing by the rules. Okay, and Empire State Manufacturing Index, that one, I think the forecast is 3.4, previous was 11.5. So any good figure, this is expected to have a dollar strength. So we expect the dollar strength to come in if the figures is good. Okay, so with that, what we have done is we have created some orders. Okay, if you want to key in, you can just key in, and of course I'll tell you how we can go about this trade and how we can manage this trade. Yeah, so we have like expected one good and one bad data. If it really happens, okay, then if, like for instance, the Canadian yen, if the data is good, then the Canadian yen should strengthen, pound CAD should come down, dollar CAD should come down. So what we have done is, okay, we have done about 30 pips away, 30-40 pips away from both the prices, and we have put one limit buy and one limit sell. Okay, then the same thing for pound cat. Okay, we are trying to sell at 81.20, and we are trying to buy at 81.80.35. Then dollar cat, we are trying to buy at 137.80, and we are trying to sell at 38.65, 138.65. So any one of these orders comes in, we just grab it, then we manage it, then we exit with a profit. But on the other hand, if let's say no movement happens, that means we don't get any movement and the market is quiet, then we will continue with our work, then we will concentrate on other trades. Okay, so this, please take these orders and please key in these orders, then we will see how to manage the trade. We have another 20-25 minutes left, so we have cat yen, pound cat, and dollar cat. So we have this three orders. Okay, then we are shorted gold. Okay, we are trying to book profit at 46 half. We have revised. So here, uh, let's see. Yeah, I think it's going to get filled on the high side. Okay, let me see the dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we are seeing some strength, and we since we have incurred a loss, I think we want to close this, just close this at the market, close this market. Okay, this also I think we close the market. Then what we will do is we will try to do a re-entry. Okay, this one also closed. So we will see. So now we have open trade is only gold and pound. Okay, the gold, I thought we can get it at 50. Looks like the 50 half is going to get filled, which will only make about 30-35 pips. Okay, supposed to be closing at 46 half. Okay, we missed it. Okay, let's see. Okay, anyway, let's go on to the session. Okay, as of now, I don't think we have any movement on the market except the dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat is trading above the previous day high. Okay, this is trading above the previous day high, and only dollar cat is moving, so we can concentrate on Canadian crosses. So when we look into Canadian crosses, so we have pound cat, cat yen, and dollar cat. So these three are the move that we are getting, and that is the three trades which we are trying to trade. Okay, so I think nothing much on this. So let's see, we can see whether any other currencies we can trade. Okay, pound. Okay, pound has been up on the 360. Let's see pound crosses. Okay, now pound Aussie, pound Aussie, pound Sing. Okay, this is giving some activity there. Okay, let's see whether we get it. Okay, let me hold on. think the gold is okay. Okay, let's see pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. Let me check the chart. Okay, uh, looks like we can trade pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. Uh, 195.15 is the high. Okay, then let's look into the. Okay, we have not seen any weakness coming from the PT zones. Okay, so now let's go into the crosses. And okay, previous day high is 94.55 and today's high is higher than yesterday's high, and today's low is higher than yesterday's low, and current high happened at current time belt, which is 95.15, and now is 194.65. So we can go for a short provided that 195.15 holds. Let's go into the chart. Okay, so now we can we can see a target of 94.30. Okay, 94.30 are extension of this, which is 94.50 or 94.30, and right now we are seeing that 120. So this weakness is expected to last until another 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes, and we need to see this 94.65 breaks, then we can see our target. Okay, so what we can do is we can try to enter at 95 or 94.95 and 95.20 as stop loss. Okay, this is a momentum trade. So 194, put it as 90, yeah, just 90, and stop at 94.20 and 194.30. I think this 40 should be okay. Okay, and this is expiry is we put until 21.30. Okay. See, I think the gold has got stopped out already. So I think we are already out with 35 pips profit, and yeah, this is closed. Okay, gold is already out and we have to look for re-entry. Okay, now maybe we can do a re-entry for gold. Okay, the gold, okay, the stop has to be 2655.50 or 2656 half. and the entry we can go on an extension of this, so which is 2353. Okay, let's check on the dashboard. Okay, perfect. So we can sell at 2653, stop at 2657, and TP at 2641 or 42. Okay, that means if it breaks this level, then we can get it, yeah, about 42. Okay, so this is also a viable trade. Two six five three 5575 and 26415. Okay, all this about $12, and this is expiry until 10 o'clock. 8 plus 2 10, yeah, 10. Okay, so I think you can key in this order as well. Okay, let me also want to key in this order, so we will see 15, another 13 minutes. Okay, just now I think we should have closed the uh, gold a bit early. Okay, anyway, we missed it. So now we try to sell again. Okay, try to sell again at 53 half, 57 half, and 41 half. Okay, let's see whether this trade. Of course, we have to see the 46 half break. You know that is the condition we need to see. Okay, so this gold is there. Okay, we have another 12 minutes for the data to be out. Okay, till then I think we can see whether we can get any more trades. Let's see. Okay, let's see whether the Canadian, because I don't want to risk too many. So Canadian, maybe let's talk about the dollar cat, because it doesn't look that comfort zone on the dollar cat, because this is already market responded to the bad data. That means it's already responded. So the only thing is, if we get a spike down, then probably we may take, or if there is a spike up, then we got to take. I don't think we can do anything much into this. Yeah, the worst scenario is, yeah, but 37, 80, 85 should be the level to look for a buy. Okay, so we have 10 more minutes. I think we can still work on this. Okay, let's see pound cat. Okay, pound cat is also in a similar situation. So if we see, then we should be seeing 181.20 or 80.45. Okay, I think this is also there. Cat yen. Okay, this is coming down a bit, but your your time control is also coming away from the high. Okay, so this is also, we see, I think there's nothing much we can do on this also. 107.85. 10. Okay, the only thing the cat yen buying, I think we can adjust the level. Uh, we have a buy at 107.45. Okay, the one I think we raise it to 65. Okay, so it's about 40 pips away. Pound cat is about 45 pips. Buying is about 40 pips. I think overall all we have about 40 pips range. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. Then apart from that, I don't see any big movement. Only for the gold and the cat crosses. These are the only thing that has been moving. Okay, so we have 8 more minutes. Okay, we have 8 more minutes. Let's see what be the outcome. Then I think our gold is filled. I think gold is filled. Looks like the strength is coming in again. I'm a bit surprised on the gold. So okay, this gold. I think if let's say this gets stopped out, then we may see strength coming in again. So you got to be careful on this. Uh, better think better adjust the levels if you feel. Okay, let me adjust my levels. Okay, I think it's better to close it. Better to close it because I don't think. As I see the strength coming in is a bit surprising. Uh, okay, try to close it, please. The gold. Just close that market. Just close that market and. Okay, so this one I think we have to close that market. Don't do it because I think my server is not updating on this. So looks like the strength is coming in. Okay, looks like the strength is coming in, and I think we may see a higher. Today gold because I'm not sure what is the reason. So maybe after this news trading, then we'll try to go for a buy on this because once the price breaks the previous high, which is 56 half, the price can go higher. Okay, the price can go higher, and the next one is of course 61 half and 67. Once it breaks, then it can even go higher. So we got to be careful on this. Okay, let's finish this Canadian dollars first. Then we'll concentrate on the gold. Okay, here. Okay, this is the trade, and this is the data that is going to be out. Okay, we have another 4 more minutes. Okay, while we are waiting for that, okay, maybe we can discuss on gold. Okay, let's discuss this. Okay, actually today is supposed to be weak. I'm not sure why we're getting some strength on the gold. Okay, so anyway, we have the strength. This is if this high breaks. Okay, if the 56 half breaks, then we should see the price moving until 2 a.m. in the Singapore time, or at least until 10 o'clock or until 12 o'clock. So any one of these three time bells. And this is expected to push towards 63 or even 67. So I think we have a selling order uh, at 61 half. I think the one also, I think we need to revise it. So we may need to revise it. So uh, let's see. Okay. Okay. Now the data is going to be out. We have 1 hour. Sorry, 1 minute 15 seconds. Okay, the data is going to be out. Let's see how the dollar CAD responds. Then after this, we will go back and discuss on the gold. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, we have keyed in some orders. So let's see what would be the outcome. Okay, 30 seconds left. 20 seconds. Okay, we'll see. I mean, I don't expect any big move, but let's see what happens. Okay, it's worse than expected. Okay, remember I told you the market is expecting, so I think the dollar CAD should weaken further. Okay, should weaken. And this Empire State Manufacturing Index, I think that figure also came out to be very bad. So that is negative 11.9. Market is expecting 3.4. So that is also is very bad. So let's see whether we have any movement on the dollar CAD. Okay, the dollar CAD move higher. So let it move. Okay, for the next 15 minutes. Okay, let's see where the price is heading. Okay, CAD yen is also higher. Okay, let's see if any order failed, then we'll take it. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay, let's go back to gold. Wait, let me see. Pound cat. Okay, is also moving higher. So we are trying to sell at 81.20. So we still have another 30 pips away. Cat yen, we are trying to buy at 107.65. So we still have another 20 pips away. So let's wait and see what has happened to that. Okay. So while we are waiting for that order to work, let me see. Yeah. Let's see gold. Okay, gold. Okay, looks like it's going to have a break. Okay, break. Okay, you can go for a buy with a tight stop. Okay, this is okay. So the actually we can buy gold. Actually, I don't want to generate a signal, but if you want, you can trade this. So this one, the stop we try to put at 54. We try to put a stop at 54. Okay, we can go for a buy and target about 61, 60, 61, 61 or even higher. Okay. So let me put this order. Okay. So then we have a selling order at 61 half. I think that one I may need to revise it higher because hold on. Okay, anyway, I think that order is already cancelled. Okay, because the time is we put in a bit late. So tonight, what we feel is okay. This if this is a genuine break, we should see 73, 67 or 73. Yeah, 73 or even 77. So this would be this is a inverse head and shoulders pattern breakout. But of course, if it fails, then it will do the opposite. Okay, but we got to be very careful and very closely monitor on this. So if we see strength coming in, break this, then this is expected to break higher. Otherwise, okay, this if it's a failure, then it is going to be back into the range, then not much big movement happening. So then the other one, the Canadian dollars, okay, let it work. Okay, we have another half an hour. If the order is get filled, then you take the trade. Then we see how it happens. Okay. Any other questions? Because I don't see much thing happening now. Okay. So if you have no questions, okay, thank you for coming into the session again, and I look to see you again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have two sessions, one Europe session and one US session. Then we can discuss and we can see how any opportunities for us to make money. Okay. Till then, thank you very much and goodbye.